If you're seeing the "Your account was compromised" warning message on Instagram, it means the platform has detected suspicious activity on your account. This could be due to password leaks, unauthorized logins, or the use of unapproved third-party apps. While this message can be alarming, there are steps you can take to secure your account and regain control. First, take the warning seriously. Do not ignore it or delay action. Begin by following Instagram's on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to verify your identity and change your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Avoid passwords that are easy to guess, like your name or birthday. Consider using a password manager to create and store complex passwords. Next, review your account information. Check your email address and phone number associated with your profile to make sure they haven't been changed. If you notice unfamiliar devices or locations in your login activity, remove those sessions immediately. It's also crucial to revoke access to any suspicious third-party apps. Go to your Instagram settings, find the section for apps and websites, and remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. Using unauthorized automation tools or apps can trigger security warnings and put your account at risk. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. With this feature, you'll receive a unique code each time you log in, making it much harder for hackers to access your account without your permission. Finally, be cautious moving forward. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or sharing your credentials with anyone. Regularly update your password and monitor your account for unusual activity. By taking these steps, you can resolve the "Your account was compromised" warning and help ensure your Instagram presence remains safe and secure. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.